Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Greg in New York. Greg, I got you all ready to go, bud. Got your clarifier unlocked. Got your high cut filter right here. Got your 10 kilohertz switch right here. Power supply beefed up. Audio mods, power mods. And so let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. 3 watts all the way down. Roll it up. 30. Now I'm going to show you average power swing. 60 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. 145 PEP. Alright, man, this is ready to go. We'll get it out to you today. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum bum.